In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best white company discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for white company discount promo codes. Right here, go to the website couponfollow.com, and as you can see, we have a list with different promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 15% discount off any purchase, all you have to do is select show coupon code right here, and you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called retailminot.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, all you need to do is select show code from right here. And you can use this promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here. And you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.